In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create QR code for Google Drive. To get started, open Google Drive and go to your Drive homepage. This is where you'll see all of your stored files and folders, and it's the easiest place to begin if you already know the item you want to share. Once you're in Google Drive, click on My Drive in the left-hand column. This will show your main file area where you can browse through your documents, folders, PDFs, images, or anything else you've saved. Take a moment to locate the specific file or folder that you want people to access through a QR code. Next, click on the three dots next to that file or folder. This opens the options menu for that item. From here, hover over Share so you can access the sharing related actions. Then click on Copy Link. This copies the Google Drive link for that file or folder, which is the link you'll turn into a QR code. Before moving on, it's a good idea to make sure the file or folder has the correct sharing permissions in Google Drive. If the access is too restricted, people who scan the QR code may not be able to open it, so if needed, adjust the sharing settings first, then copy the link again. Now go to qr.io. On the site, look for the field labeled Enter Your Website URL and paste the link you copied from Google Drive into that box. This tells the QR code generator exactly where the code should send people when they scan it. After that, choose the type of frame you want, and if you'd like, decide on the shape and logo as well. These design options are optional, but they can help make your QR code look more polished or better match your brand, project, or presentation style. You can also click into the frame phrase and change it if you want to add your own text. This is useful if you want the QR code to say something more specific like open folder or view file. If you want to customize it even more, click the phrase font drop down to change the font style. Once everything looks the way you want, go to the right-hand side below the preview and click download QR code. Your QR code will be generated and saved so you can use it in print materials, presentations, posters, handouts, or digital content. And that's it. You've successfully created a QR code for a Google Drive file or folder, making it much faster and easier for others to access your content.